all the dirt and debris and exfoliating. Citric, and it is gonna, no, I don't know, breakouts and Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on another facial cleanser. I've put up a few other reviews on other facial cleansers over the last few months, and I know a lot of you have been into it. So today I'm doing a review on this one right here. This one is something else. It is the Holifrog Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. It costs a pretty penny, but let me tell you, this is a facial cleanser you need to try. Now, the tagline that the brand stands by is that this cleanser is white glove service for your pores, and I love that. It is a bougie cleanser. It really is. It costs 52 Canadian dollars. That is insane for a facial cleanser. Let's be real. Or 38 US for 5 fluid ounces, so you're getting a good amount. This does look like a small bottle, but it is 5 ounces or 148 mils. Now I know some of you might be a little confused as to why I even bothered purchasing this, because in the past I have definitely made it clear I'm not a fan of active ingredients in cleansers. Anything fancy at all I don't like in cleansers, because they're on your skin for 60 seconds only and then wash down the drain. You know, if you want an AHA product, use it in serum form or in a essence or even in a mask. Something else that's going to stay on your skin for an extended period of time and give you the result that you want. I just really have never believed cleansers with something like an acid product in it is gonna do that much. And then I tried this. Let me tell you, this product works. It absolutely does. And I knew I had to do a review on it after using it for quite some time, because I know so many of you out there, you've sent me messages, talked to me about all the crazy reactions that your skin gets when using acids, specifically either in serum form, toners, essences, masks, anything that has to stay on your skin for an extended period of time, all day or all night. And you've given up using any product with acids in it because it just doesn't sit well with your skin. But something like this, a cleanser that you're just using to cleanse your skin and then wash off immediately, you will like, and you will get the appropriate benefits that any other AHA product gives you, which is amazing. This cleanser containing AHA will absolutely give you similar results to other products containing AHAs. It will smooth, it will tackle texture, it will take off all the dead cells and debris, it will exfoliate, it will improve tone. It does all of that, even though it's not staying on your skin. So as you'll see in the demo that I'll insert here, it is a non-foaming cleanser. Yes, so all of you out there who are obsessed with seeing bubbles and lots of foam in your facial cleansers because you just don't feel like your skin is being cleaned properly, if that's not happening, this product is definitely not for you. It does not foam at all. It's a beautiful pH of 4. I'm definitely moving forward, going to be getting more into encouraging you guys to pay attention to the pH of products, because that is important. But all you need is maybe 1 or 2 pumps at most. Massage it all over your damp skin in circular motions, just like you would any other cleanser, but note, you won't see any foaming action. And then rinse away. Please, please, please do not use this cleanser to remove makeup. I know a lot of people love using their facial cleansers to remove makeup, but this is way too expensive, number 1, to do that. And number 2, it's really not designed for that. This, as the back of the bottle even says, is for cleaning and clearing each pore to reveal smooth, glassy skin. Not magic or blessings, but exfoliation. That's what you're doing with this cleanser. Yes, you're cleansing your skin, but you're also getting all the dirt and debris, dead skin cells off, and giving your face a great exfoliation, but the most gentle that you can. There are actually 5 different AHAs included in this product, which I love. I definitely feel like products formulated with not just one type of acid really do help to give it the chance to be used by more people, because if you don't know, there are AHAs that are definitely more abrasive than others, and I find if you just use a little bit of several of them put together, you'll end up producing a product that is going to be so much less irritating to more people. You're getting Glycolic, Lactic, the 2 most popular that I'm sure a lot of you guys know about, as well as Mandelic, Tartaric, and Citric. So all 5 of those AHAs are in this product. And in addition to the acids, you're also getting several different oils as well as aloe vera, wonderful ingredients that are going to help with the soothing aspect. So even though the product isn't even staying on your skin for very long, I love the fact that the brand still incorporated lots of soothing types of ingredients to even further prevent irritation, because that is probably the #1 issue people always have doing putting products on their skin with acids in them. They're irritating. So to cut down on that, there's all these amazing ingredients that really help to soothe and combat any irritation that the acids may bring up. This cleanser is actually the most ideal for people with and suffering with adult acne and breakouts, and it's going to help to clear your skin, but in the most gentle way without stripping the skin. Another side note I wanted to mention is that just the smell and the actual texture of the product, to me, I don't know about you guys, but is extremely reminiscent of Pharmacy's Honeymoon Glow. The moment that I first pumped out the product and started using it, it immediately reminded me of Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. So I am not at all surprised that it looks and smells and gives me that kind of vibe, because you guys know how much I love that product. So I kind of almost consider this Pharmacy's Honeymoon Glow in cleanser form. I really do see a lot of similarities between the two, especially since also with Pharmacy, they've included several different acids as well as the soothing ingredients to take down any chance of irritation. So I really found it kind of interesting that this product reminded me of that one. So definitely, you guys, check this out. This is an amazing cleanser that is quite pricey for being a cleanser, and because of that, definitely 1 time a day use. Do not use this in the morning. Use it at night once a day. Do not use it to remove makeup, just on bare makeup-free skin for cleansing purposes only, and it will last you quite a while. So that's it, guys. That is my full review on Holifrog's Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. I'm converted. I've been converted. I must admit, I normally do not like cleansers with any active ingredients in them. Always thought it was a waste, but this product specifically, I don't know about the others, but this one is worth it. It's a great product. It does the job, and I will highly recommend it, especially to those of you who just can't handle using products like toners or serums with acids in it. This is the next step. This is something that you definitely need to check out and give it a try to get the amazing benefits that I always go on and on about that AHAs give the skin. Definitely try it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Hopefully you know a lot more about this product. It's actually kind of becoming very popular. More and more people are talking about it on social media. So let me know if you have any other questions about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.